This simple guide will show you how to add crypto payments to your Webflow website. Whether you're running an e-commerce site or simply collecting donations, integrating cryptocurrency payments can offer your visitors more flexibility and keep your site on the cutting edge of technology. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to webflow.com. If you haven't already, log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard, which lists all the websites you've created using Webflow. Now, find the site you want to add crypto payments to. Once you've located it, go ahead and select it. This will take you into the Webflow Designer, where you can make all the changes you need to your site. Now that we're inside the designer, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a little plus icon, which is the Add Element button. Click on that, and a whole menu of different elements you can add to your website will slide out. The element we're interested in today is the button. So go ahead and type button into the search bar in this menu to find it quickly. When you see it, click on it to add it to your page. With the button now on your page, it's time to customize it. Click on the button and you'll see options to edit its text. Let's give it a clear purpose by naming it payment. This helps your users understand what the button is for and makes it easy for them to take action. Next, we need to set up the button to direct users to your crypto payment page. Look to the right side of your screen where you have a panel dedicated to settings and customization. Here, you'll find a field where you can input a URL. This is where you'll paste the URL of your cryptocurrency payment platform. This is an essential step because it links the button directly to where your users can complete their payment in cryptocurrency. And there you have it. You've successfully added a crypto payment button to your Webflow site. Now, when users visit your site and click on the payment button, they'll be directed to your specified crypto payment page, allowing them to make transactions quickly and securely. Remember, integrating crypto payments can open up your site to a broader audience, tapping into the growing number of individuals who prefer using digital currencies. Plus, it's a great way to stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving world of online transactions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help out. Happy Webflow designing, and I'll see you in the next video.